Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Hope you all had a great week last week and a profitable week as well. As the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on in this past week. This week I want to go through my weekly analysis as usual. Going through gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and GBP JPY. So I'll be starting off with gold this week um and from the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, as you can see, last week price broke out of this trend line here and this support level, this weekly support. And in this new week, what has happened is that price has gone to test the support on resistance as well as the trend line, forming this rejection here. So immediately price got up there, it rejected down, okay, which could give us an indication, or which could mean that price would continue all the way to the downside to this weekly support level here at the 1675 level. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see where price made the retracement down after breaking this level, went to test the trend line and this resistance level, and then rejected again with this nice daily bearish candle. And our price has formed this inside bar, which is more like an indecision candle. So this big candle here and this small candle has formed what's called an inside bar. And this is more like, if you go to smaller time frame, you will see that the price has been ranging. That's why it's formed this smaller bar here. So what we'll be looking out for in this upcoming week is a break of, or a closure above or below this level of the smaller bar. Okay, so, and I'm talking about the daily time frame as well. So if you look at the daily time frame, okay, and you plot you put the line above this at the high or at the close here and at the open here as well. Okay, all right, so this is the key level that we are looking at for the upcoming week for gold. All right, so if there is a closure above this upper line on the daily time frame, okay, then, and that's if the next price forms and closes above this, then that means price will continue all the way to the top. If the next daily candle closes below this level, then it will continue all the way to the bottom. Okay, so that's what we're looking out for in the upcoming week, a closure either above or below this level. So what I would suggest is that on Monday, if you're a swing trader, for gold, try not to trade. You can wait for confirmation by waiting for a closure either above or below this blue line over here. If we go to the daily, the 4-hour time frame where I normally take my entry, okay, so this is what we're looking at on the daily time frame. You could see that price has more or less formed, or it's a double bottom. Okay, that's there and down here, and there's a possibility that price could continue to the top. Okay, so this can happen. On the other hand, there could just be a break of that level all the way to the downside. Okay, so that's what we'll be looking out for in the upcoming week. But I would suggest that you just look at this on the daily time frame. Okay, and once we're able to confirm either a closure above or below this blue line on Monday or the close of Monday, then we can decide where we want to take our trades. Okay, um so yeah, so that's my analysis for gold for the upcoming week. It's just to wait and see where price closes, either above or below this level. A closure below this level on Monday will mean a continuation to the downside, and a closure above this level will mean a continuation to the upside. So just wait and see on Monday for how price is going to react. Okay. Um. So next I'll be talking about Euro USD. Okay. Um. For Euro USD again, I'll be looking at the weekly time frame and take it all the way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see that this price has formed, which we've been looking at for a few weeks now, and price has formed this doji candle. Okay, after the break below this 4 hourly resist support level turned resistance. Okay, and there could be a possibility that price could now continue all the way up, or maybe could go down a little bit, maybe just to touch this area here before making that up move. Okay. On the other hand, price may not get all the way here and may just continue straight up from where it is currently. If we look at the daily time frame, okay, we can see that price broke this level here, came down and tested it, okay, and now has formed this candle. So what I'll be expecting for Euro USD is a continuation down here to into this area here, into this weekly support level, and a quick bounce to the top. Okay, so price may not stay in this level for long, it may just form like a quick week down here and reject straight up to the upside. Okay, forming generally a double bottom. Okay, on the other hand, the double bottom could just form from here and price may not get all the way to this level. And in that case, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, what we'll be waiting for would be a break above this level. All right. So what I would say is, if you're going to buy Euro USD, you should wait for a break above this 4 hourly resistance level. Okay. Now, if you look at this from another angle as well, you can see that this has more or less formed a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, where you'll be more or less looking for a break above this level, okay, to continue the pattern and to capitalize on the move. So I would say that wait for price to get to this level and see how price reacts. If price breaks all the way up to this level, then wait for a retest before entering your trades to the top. If price gets here and forms a reversal candlestick pattern, then you should be prepared to sell the market all the way down here before looking for your buy opportunities. Um, so that's my analysis for Euro USD. To buy, you have to wait for a break above this level. That's above the 17,500 1.17500 level, or you wait until, if price continues to the downside, then you wait until price gets here before looking for your buy opportunity for this trade. All right, so that's my analysis for Euro USD. So for GBPUSD, again, we'll start from the weekly time frame. And from the weekly time frame, we can see what has happened here. Okay. And mostly you will see it on a much smaller time frame, but as you can see, price has formed rejections just around this zone here, this 1.362 level, which we will see clearly on the daily and 4 hourly time frame, that price has rejected multiple times here, forming this double bottom. Okay. If you remember my analysis from last week, I said that price will continue after breaking this trend line, that price will continue all the way down, and that's what has happened. And I hope you're able to capitalize on this down move and also on this rapid up move when price got into this zone over here. Okay, so now what has happened on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame, basically, for GBP USD, is that when price got into this support level here, there was a quick rejection, okay, to the top all the way to this level here, that is the 137,500 level, and price has retraced a little bit. Now, because I am more or less expecting this triple bottom to complete, to be completed, and price to continue all the way to the top, If you want to capitalize on this trade, I would say look at the 4-hour time frame. When you get to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that when price got here, it retraced a bit. So this retracement will be complete and get all the way here, forming a double bottom again. Okay, that's this move here. Will form a double bottom all the way to the top. Okay. On the other hand, price may not get all the way down here. Okay, and price may just reverse from this point where it is here. Okay, all the way to the top. And the reason why I suspect that is if you draw your Fibonacci retracement, you can see that price has just retraced from the 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is the golden ratio. Okay, that's where price has gotten to and formed this shooting star candle, which is a bullish reversal candle. Okay, so that's why I said that price could just continue from this level where it is right now instead of going all the way to the downside. Okay, so we could be looking to take a buy opportunity from this level here. Okay, on the other hand, to confirm further as well, if we go to say a smaller time frame like the 1-hour time frame, okay, we could look for levels to see. We could look to see what is happening on the 1-hour time frame, and on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that price has also formed this double bottom pattern, forming this engulfing candle, trying to take price all the way to the top as well. So this level on its own could just mean that price is going all the way to the top. Okay, so what I'll do is if you're going to enter this trade at all, you should wait for a break above this level here. Okay, so where it has been tested here multiple times. Yeah. Okay, so if price gets all the way to this top, to this level here, wait for a break of this area and a retest. Okay, and a retest of the area for taking your buy trade all the way to the top. Okay, so if you're going to capitalize on say the 65.8 or 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, which is this level over here where price has formed this double bottom, if you are not too sure and you don't want to rush into entering a trade, then you wait for price to break this level here, retest it and enter your trade here, and you can still make some profit. And if you do that, you'll be looking at about 60 pips in profit, which isn't bad, which is a very, very good trade if you're a day trader. Okay, so you can capitalize on this, stack your positions on a 60 pip move, and you can make a lot of money from that. All right, so that's my analysis for GBP USD for this coming week. Next we'll be looking at GBP JPY, which will be our last analysis for today. All right, so for GBP JPY, looking at the weekly time frame, we can see that price got to this support level over here, this weekly support, where it has rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a very, very strong level that price was unable to break, rejected, and now formed this pin bar, which for me is an indication that price will continue to the top. So I'm still expecting an up move, maybe an up move only to this level here or all the way to this level, but there will definitely be an up move in GBP JPY this coming week. Right now, if we go to the daily time frame, we can see it clearly, the triple bottom that has formed. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I'm expecting this move to continue all the way at least to this point here, and if there's a break of this level, then all the way to this level over there. Okay, and you can see the price from this nice bullish reversal pattern and went all the way up night at this resistance level. So what you'll be expecting in this coming week for GBPJPY is, another candle to break this up to the top, a retest, and the continuation all the way to this level here. Okay, so if we can just take this trade from here to this level here, that's 170 pips, which is a very, very good move. Okay, and if you can capitalize on that in addition to the 60 pip move of GBPUSD, then you'll be looking at 230 pips for that move only, and that could even happen in one day. And depending on the kind of lot size you use, that is you making a lot of money as well. So on the on the 4 hourly time frame, what we're looking for is again a break here, a retest, and a continuation to the top. Okay, and the continuation to the top. On the other hand, it doesn't mean that price may not, just come all the way down here again before making that move to the top. It's very possible that it can happen because that's how the market works. Anything can happen. Market could just come down here, forming a double bottom and all the way to the top. So you need to be careful um how you take your trades. But generally, what I'm expecting is for price to continue all the way to the top. So in summary, my analysis for this week for GBP USD and GBP JPY, I'm expecting price to buy, and I'll be looking for only buy opportunities in those trades for those currencies for GBP JPY and GBP USD. For Euro USD, I'm also expecting a buy trade, but it just depends on what happens. Um, and I'll be looking to either buy or sell, but mostly buy. My bias is mostly towards a buy trade. And for gold, I'm just waiting for a break above and below the blue line that I indicated earlier. Okay, that's this blue line over here on the daily time frame. So once there is a closure above this level, I'm buying. And if there's a closure below this level, then I'm selling. Okay, so that's my analysis for this week. I hope the video has been very helpful. If you like the video, please kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis video. And I would see you in the next analysis video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.